Hey friends, let's talk about. I think in the previous videos I was talking about how to create the volume, how to create the file systems, how to mount it, unmount it, and a lot of steps I have mentioned it. That's good. Now I'll talk about what is snapshot. Snapshot is nothing but just taking a backup of your EBS volume to your S3 bucket. Okay. So for example, this is one of the volume which we created in the last session, and I'm just right click on it, and then you have something called create snapshot. Okay, but before that, let's see what are the options available in the volume. Yeah. If you right click on it, there is something called modify volume. Just hit on it, and then you can change the modify volume from to a different volume types. Okay, that is available. You can extend the volume size, but you cannot decrease the volume size. It will not allow you to do that. You can always extend it. Okay, that is one thing. Yeah. So volume type, you can do that. The next one is create snapshot. So if you want to create snapshot, for example, I want to create like a demo training snapshot. So what exactly snapshot says is create a point in time snapshot to back up the data on an Amazon EBS volume to uh, Amazon S3. So it will just take a backup. That's it. Okay. If you really want to save the data. Okay. And then I'm going to give name demo snapshot, something like this, and then create snapshot. When you hit create snapshot, it will say successfully created. Okay. Now now if you want to see where the snapshots are, on the left side under elastic block store, you have something called snapshots here. So click on snapshots. So here there is something called demo snapshot, which is in pending status. So in next couple of minutes it will change it to completed. Okay. So when you see the completed okay, let's wait for a minute. Before that, let me go back to the volumes, and then I can right click. So let me see, is there any other options which we can talk about? The only thing is modify volume and then create snapshot, which we have done it. And then if you want to delete the volume, you just delete the volume. And if you want to attach the volume, just attach the volume. If you want to detach the volume, just detach the volume. Since this volume is attached to an instance, okay, if you see here in use, it has attached to an instance, so that's why we are not getting any delete volume. Okay, if the instance is in, if the volume is in available mode, then you will get the delete volume enabled. Okay. This is one thing. Now let me go back to snapshots. Now snapshots, yeah, see this demo snapshot which we created right now, it says completed. Okay. Now say Samir, if you want to move this volume from Mumbai region to some other region, how is it possible? You can ask me this question, right? So you don't have any option like move something like this, wherein we had that option in AMI. So for that, what people normally do is they will right click, they will take a snapshot of it, and then just like how we did it right now, and then they will right click on it, then they will do copy snapshot. I'm sorry. So when they do copy snapshot, so here it will ask you for the destination region. So look for the destination region, select wherever you want. Okay, and then copy snapshot. Okay, you guys don't need to do that. If you really want, it might incur some cost, some 0.01 or $0.02. Okay, now where I chose, I'm choosing the US East 1 region, and then I'm scrolling down, I'm looking for snapshots. Okay, so did I move it here? See this is a pending mode. Okay, this is copied from see this copied from AP Southern demo training snapshot. So I have moved it here. Okay, now it is available. Now if you want this to make it as a volume, what I will do, I will select this, then I will actions, then I'll make a volume from snapshot. You can create a volume from the snapshot. So you can make it as like a EBS volume. Or if you want to make it as an AMI, actions, create image. Okay, if you want to modify the permissions, you can modify the permissions, and you can share this snapshot to a specific account number, just like how we did it with AMI. So you can do that as well. Yeah, so it's pretty easy, it's pretty simple. Okay, so that's all about the snapshots, guys. Okay, we don't need too much, we don't have anything extra to learn. Okay, so this is very good for basic understanding. Thank you, guys.